Hello, everybody. Welcome to Wealth Window. Today, we are going to be continuing a new series of business case studies. In this series, we will look at a number of different organizations, focusing on their history and also looking at some of the reasons they became as successful as they did. By the end of this video series, you will have a better understanding of how and why the biggest companies in the world found their success. In today's video, we will dive into one of the most influential companies in the tech industry, Microsoft. Founded in 1975 by Bill Gates and Paul Allen, Microsoft started as a small software vendor with a vision to put a computer on every desk and in every home. Over the decades, it has evolved into a global powerhouse, shaping the way we interact with technology through its innovative products like Windows, Office, and Azure. Microsoft's journey is not just about software. It's a story of resilience, adaptation, and strategic foresight in an ever-changing market. In this video, we aim to engage you with an informative exploration of Microsoft's business strategies that have propelled it to the forefront of the tech world. We'll discuss how the company has navigated challenges, embraced new technologies, and fostered a culture of innovation. You'll learn about key milestones in Microsoft's history, including its pivotal role in the rise of personal computing and its recent ventures into cloud computing and artificial intelligence. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of the strategies that have contributed to Microsoft's enduring success. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur, a tech enthusiast, or simply curious about business dynamics, this case study will provide valuable insights into how Microsoft continues to thrive in a competitive landscape. So let's get started on this fascinating journey through Microsoft's legacy and future. Founding and early years. In 1975, two young visionaries, Bill Gates and Paul Allen, founded Microsoft in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Their journey began with a shared passion for computers and a belief that software would play a crucial role in the future of technology. Initially, Microsoft focused on developing software for personal computers, a market that was just beginning to take shape. Their first major product was a version of the basic programming language for the Altair 8800, which quickly gained traction and established Microsoft as a key player in the burgeoning tech landscape. However, the early years were not without challenges. The tech industry was still in its infancy, and competition was fierce. Microsoft faced numerous hurdles, including limited resources and the need to constantly innovate in a rapidly evolving market. The company had to navigate the complexities of working with hardware manufacturers and adapting to the diverse needs of early computer users. Additionally, they encountered competition from established companies like IBM and emerging software firms that were also vying for a share of the market. Despite these obstacles, Gates and Allen's determination and vision propelled Microsoft forward. They recognized the importance of building strong partnerships and continuously improving their products. This adaptability laid the groundwork for Microsoft's future success, setting the stage for its transformation into a global technology leader. The early years were a testament to the power of innovation and resilience in the face of adversity. Now, let's move into the key innovations that got Microsoft to where they are today. Microsoft's journey to becoming a tech giant was significantly propelled by its groundbreaking innovations, particularly the development of the MS-DOS and Windows operating systems. In the early 1980s, MS-DOS emerged as a dominant operating system for personal computers, providing a user-friendly interface that allowed users to interact with their machines more efficiently. This innovation was pivotal as it laid the foundation for the personal computing revolution, making computers accessible to a broader audience. Building on the success of MS-DOS, Microsoft introduced Windows in 1985, which transformed the computing experience by offering a graphical user interface. This shift from command-line input to a more intuitive visual environment made it easier for users to navigate their computers, ultimately changing how people interacted with technology. Windows quickly gained popularity, becoming the standard operating system for PCs and solidifying Microsoft's position in the market. Another key factor in Microsoft's growth was its approach to software licensing. By adopting a licensing model, Microsoft was able to generate substantial revenue from its software products. This strategy not only ensured a steady income stream, but also encouraged widespread adoption of its operating systems across various hardware platforms. As more manufacturers began to pre-install Windows on their computers, Microsoft's market share skyrocketed, further entrenching its dominance in the tech industry. Strategic partnerships have played a crucial role in Microsoft's ascent to becoming a dominant force in the tech industry. One of the most significant collaborations was with hardware manufacturers, which allowed Microsoft to ensure that its operating systems were pre-installed on a wide range of personal computers. By partnering with companies like IBM, Dell, and HP, Microsoft expanded its market reach and made Windows the go-to operating system for millions of users worldwide. This collaboration not only boosted sales, but also solidified Microsoft's reputation as a reliable software provider. In addition to hardware partnerships, Microsoft also forged alliances with software developers, enhancing its product offerings and creating a robust ecosystem. By collaborating with third-party developers, Microsoft was able to expand the functionality of its software, leading to a diverse range of applications that catered to various user needs. This approach encouraged innovation and allowed Microsoft to stay ahead of competitors by continuously improving its software solutions. Key alliances, such as those with companies like Adobe and SAP, further enriched Microsoft's portfolio, enabling it to offer integrated solutions that appealed to businesses and consumers alike. These partnerships not only enhanced product capabilities, but also fostered a sense of community among developers, encouraging them to create applications that leveraged Microsoft technologies. Overall, these strategic partnerships were instrumental in expanding Microsoft's market presence, driving revenue growth, and establishing the company as a leader in the technology landscape. As with all successful companies, adaptation has been a key factor in Microsoft's continuing success. Microsoft's ability to adapt to changing market conditions has been a key factor in its sustained success. One of the most significant shifts in recent years has been the company's transition towards cloud computing, exemplified by the launch of Microsoft Azure in 2010. Recognizing the growing demand for cloud services, Microsoft invested heavily in Azure, positioning itself as a formidable competitor in the cloud market. This strategic pivot not only allowed Microsoft to diversify its offerings, but also enabled businesses to leverage scalable and flexible solutions, ultimately transforming how organizations operate. Innovation has been at the heart of Microsoft's strategy to maintain market leadership. The company continuously seeks to enhance its products and services, ensuring they meet the evolving needs of consumers and businesses alike. By fostering a culture of innovation, Microsoft has been able to stay ahead of competitors and respond effectively to emerging trends such as artificial intelligence and machine learning. This commitment to innovation has solidified its reputation as a forward-thinking technology leader. Additionally, strategic acquisitions have played a crucial role in strengthening Microsoft's portfolio. Notable acquisitions, such as LinkedIn in 2016 and GitHub in 2018, have expanded Microsoft's capabilities and market reach. These acquisitions not only provided access to new technologies and user bases, but also enhanced Microsoft's ability to offer integrated solutions that cater to a diverse range of customers. Through adaptation, innovation, and strategic growth, Microsoft has successfully navigated the complexities of the tech landscape, ensuring its continued relevance and leadership in the industry. Now on to the bad, the struggles. Throughout its history, Microsoft has faced significant challenges and controversies, particularly in the realm of antitrust lawsuits and regulatory scrutiny. In the late 1990s, the U.S. Department of Justice filed a landmark antitrust case against Microsoft, accusing the company of monopolistic practices related to its Windows operating system. This legal battle not only garnered extensive media attention, but also raised questions about Microsoft's business practices and market dominance. The scrutiny extended globally, with various countries investigating Microsoft's competitive strategies, leading to fines and regulatory changes. These challenges had a profound impact on Microsoft's strategy. The company was forced to reassess its approach to competition and innovation, leading to a more collaborative stance with other tech firms. Microsoft began to focus on building partnerships and fostering an ecosystem that encouraged third-party developers to create applications for its platforms. This shift not only helped mitigate regulatory pressures, but also enhanced the overall user experience, making Microsoft products more appealing to consumers. The lessons learned from overcoming these obstacles have been invaluable for Microsoft. The company recognized the importance of transparency and ethical business practices, which have become integral to its corporate culture. Additionally, the experience taught Microsoft the value of adaptability in the face of adversity. By embracing change and focusing on collaboration, Microsoft has emerged stronger and more resilient, ultimately reinforcing its position as a leader in the technology industry while navigating the complexities of a highly regulated environment. As we wrap up, it's essential to reflect on the importance of innovation and adaptation in achieving long-term success. Microsoft's journey serves as a powerful reminder that embracing change and fostering a culture of creativity can lead to remarkable outcomes. If you enjoyed this exploration of Microsoft's history and strategies, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Don't forget to like this video and share it with others who might find it valuable. Be sure to follow along as we continue the rest of our business case study series, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.